Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can remove a notification virus like a tabula ads or other like that things from your OnePlus 11. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site or just on your home screen, that means you have a notification virus. And you can try to remove it by two ways, without antivirus app and with antivirus app, of course. So we start from the first method. You can go to the settings now and open the apps. Now tap on the app management and check all of this list to check that you have any unwanted app or the app that you have not installed in the last time. If you see something strange, just tap on it and click uninstall. Click OK and that's it. After that, go back to the app management and look for your web browser, like a Google Chrome. Now go to the storage usage and click on the manage space. Now tap on the clear all data, click OK, and your web browser should be free from the notification virus. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can always try to download an antivirus app. Now I will show you the second method. I'm always using Avast for it. You can also try to download any other app, whatever you want. And so in the Avast, click next and skip. Now we have to close to add and tap on the continuous free. Now tap on this green circle and click allow. Add the permissions to the file so we can see and go back to the to the Avast. Now choose your scan type. If you want to deep scan with your phone and you have a lot of time, I prefer you to use the deep scan. I will use the regular one. And after the scanning process, all the softwares, unwanted softwares, malwares, viruses will be deleted. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.